So we are going to have a conversation on the lesson of drawing competition. Remember how we discussed last class that ma'am came into the class, ma'am class के अंदर आई and everyone got up and wish good morning ma'am. What did the students say? Good morning ma'am. So what did the ma'am say? She said, good morning, children. Sit down. And teacher asked everybody, how are you? What did teacher ask everybody? How are you all? So, what did the children say then? We are fine. Thank you. How are you, ma'am? So everybody, जब भी कोई भी हमसे पूछता है आप कैसे हो तो हम उसका उत्तर देते हैं कि हमारा हाल क्या है. What is our state? So they said we are good, ma'am. और हम what we do, we again ask them in return, how are you ma'am? तो यहाँ पे मैम so what was ma'am asking everybody? Children, do you remember we are having a drawing competition? So what was everybody asking? Ki we are having a drawing competition. So what did the children say? Yes, ma'am. So teacher was asking everybody, what colors did you bring? What other colors did you bring? What are the colors? Colors यानी कि what colors का अर्थ क्या होता है बच्चों? सही प्रकार में colors means different. Like यहाँ पे red color है. This is black. This is blue. And this is green. So these are the different colors. But did ma'am ask that? क्या मैम ने पूछा था what colors did you bring? Did you bring red color, black color, blue color, green color? No, ma'am didn't ask that. What did ma'am ask? What colors you brought? Ma'am was asking whether you bought crayons or did you bring sketch pen or did you bring watercolors or did you bring um pencil colors? So ma'am didn't ask what is the color you brought, like red, blue, black, and green. Ma'am was asking what type of colors you brought. Like हम जब कलर करते हैं हमें अलग अलग चीजें मिलते हैं ना, जैसे कि पेंट करते हैं, पेंट के साथ पेंट करते हैं, पेंसिल मिलता है, कलर पेंसिल मिलता है, और हमें स्केच पेन मिलता है. ठीक है ना बच्चों, क्रायॉन्स मिलता है. ठीक है. और हमें क्ले जैसे चीजें भी मिलते हैं, बट इससे हम रंग नहीं डाल सकते, इससे चीजें बना सकते हैं. रेड कलर क्ले, ग्रीन कलर क्ले हमें मिलता है ना बच्चों. तो अभी हम क्या सीख रहे हैं यहाँ पे? मैम इज टेलिंग दैट did you bring colors? So everybody is telling what colors they brought. So what did we learn in the last class? That Meena bought. Who bought crayons? We learned that Meena bought crayons. Who bought crayons? Meena bought crayons. Okay. And what did we learn? Who bought pencil colors? Brought pencil colors? Who brought it? Sahil brought it. Who brought pencil colors? Sahil brought pencil colors. Right? And who bought watercolors? Who bought watercolors? Manjit bought watercolors. Who bought watercolors? Manjit. Who bought? Manjit bought watercolors. So who bought crayons? Meena brought crayons. Who bought pencil colors? Sahil. And who bought watercolors? Manjit brought watercolors. And Nobody brought sketch pen. कोई भी sketch pen नहीं लेके आया. Okay? Who forgot to bring the colors, kids? कौन भूल गया? कलर लेके आना भूल गया. Who forgot it? Sheba. Who forgot? Sheba forgot to bring. Sheba said she forgot to bring her colors. Okay? तो हमें क्या पता चला है? There are different type of colors. When ma'am was telling colors, ma'am didn't mean red color, black color, blue color or green color. Ma'am was thinking the different mediums. What different mediums of coloring? Medium means जरिए. हाँ, जरिया जो मीडियम होता है. तो यहाँ पे crayons, water colors, pencil colors, there are oil pastels, so many different type of colors are there. Okay, kids? So we are learning today who brought which color, who brought which colors, right? So we learned that Meena brought crayons, Manjit brought watercolors, and Sahil brought pencil colors. Who didn't bring colors? Sheba. Sheba forgot to bring her colors. So this is what we learned in the last class, right? We learned about this, no? So now let's go on about the conversation that they were having. उनके बीच में जो बातचीत होती थी उसके बारे में हमने लेसन बन के हम सीख रहे हैं. ठीक है बच्चों? So we are going to remove this and we are going to go ahead and learn more. What was the teacher and the kids learned speaking? What were they speaking? So what happened then? Now the teacher said, when Sheba said, what Sheba said? I forgot to bring my colors. Okay? So what did Sheba say? I forgot. Forgot यानी कि भूल जाना. So what did teacher say that time? Teacher said, no problem. No problem यानी कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. साहिल कैन share. Sahil can share his colors. Sahil can share his colors with you. यानी कि हु साहिल. साहिल क्या लेके आया? आपको याद है ना? साहिल had brought pencil colors. Sahil had brought pencil colors, remember? So Sahil is going to share his pencil colors with Sheba. What did the teacher say? Sahil can share. Share यानी कि आपस में बांटना. Sahil can share his colors with you. What did Sahil bring? Do you remember? Sahil bought pencil colors. Okay. So then what did Manjit say? Manjit, what did Manjit bring? Do you remember? Manjit bought watercolors. Okay, Manjit had brought watercolors और मंजित ने क्या कहा? तो उसने मैम ने पूछा, सॉरी मैं भूल गई बताने के लिए, कि मैम ने उसके बाद बोला नो प्रॉब्लम, साहिल कैन शेयर हिज कलर्स विथ यू. एंड व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू ड्रॉ मंजीत? So what happened when teacher said Sahil can share his colors with you? Whom did ma'am tell to share colors with? Sheba. Sheba forgot to bring colors, so Sahil can share his colors with Sheba. And what are you going to draw, Manjeet? तो मैम ने मंजीत से क्या पूछा? मंजीत जिसने वाटर कलर्स ले आया है, मंजीत से क्या पूछा मैम ने? तुम क्या चित्र बनाने वाले हो? What are you going to draw? So what did Manjit? What did ma'am ask Manjit? Ma'am asked Manjit, what are you going to draw? So what did Manjit say for that? Manjit said, what did Manjit say? I am going to draw a fruit basket. What is Manjit going to draw? Manjit is going to draw fruit basket, यानी फलों की टोकरी. फ्रूट बास्केट. जो फल होते हैं उसको चित्र बनाने वाले, उसका एक बास्केट में जो फल डाल के एक चित्र बनाने वाला है मंजीत. सो टीचर आस्क्ड. Then what teacher asked? Teacher asked, very good. Teacher said, बहुत खूब. What about you? What about you, Meena? तो मैम ने क्या कहा, पूछा था. मैम ने साहिल को कहा शेयर हिज कलर्स विथ शीबा. एंड व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू ड्रॉ? मंजीत पूछा था. तो मंजीत ने क्या बोला? मैं एक फलों की टोकरी बनाने जा रहा हूँ. मैं एक फलों की टोकरी बनाने जा रहा हूँ. तो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ फ्रूट बास्केट. ओके. देन व्हाट डिड द टीचर से? वेरी गुड. व्हाट अबाउट यू, मीना? Remember, I was telling you the previous class, we should always talk with a certain tonality. हम एक सही तरीके से बात करना चाहिए. रोबोट की तरह से बात नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not talk like, ah ma'am, I bought watercolors. We should not talk like that. Ma'am, I bought watercolors. We don't use a robotic voice. We put in a tone to our speech. तभी कोई ध्यान दे पाता है. ठीक है बच्चों? So you always remember your speech has to have a way of command. यानी कि आप एक बात करने का एक जरिया होता है, एक तरीका होता है. सही से बात करना चाहिए होता है, मीठा बात करना चाहिए होता है. So what we are learning? The teacher said, very good. What about you, Meena? What about you, Meena? यानी कि अभी तुम्हारे मीना तुम क्या करने वाली हो. तो व्हाट डिड मीना से? मीना सेड, मैम, आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ a monkey. What did my Meena said? I'm going to draw a monkey sitting on a branch. Sitting on a branch. तो मीना क्या ड्रॉ करने वाली है बच्चों? What is Meena going to do? Meena is going to draw a monkey. बंदर, बंदर बनाने वाली है. Where is the बंदर sitting? Is she going to only make a monkey? No, she is going to draw the monkey sitting on a branch. Branch यानी कि टहली. ठीक है बच्चों? पेड़ का जो शाखा होता है उसको ब्रांच कहते हैं बच्चों. पेड़ की जो शाखा होती है उसको ब्रांच कहते हैं. ठीक है? जो एक पेड़ होता है उसका एक शाखा होता है ना बच्चों, उसको कहते हैं ब्रांच. ओके. ऐसे 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 पत्ते होते. तो इस पेड़ के जो एक शाखा यानी कि ब्रांच में कौन बैठने वाला है? बंदर बैठने वाला है. ठीक है बच्चों? सो व्हाट डिड टीचर से? सो डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डिड sing? So what did the teacher say after that? The teacher said, very good. Very good. Now, all of you may begin to draw. तो ऑल ऑफ यू यानी कि आप लोग सब चित्र बनाना शुरू कर सकते हैं. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन बिगिन टू ड्रॉ. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन बिगिन टू ड्रॉ. ओके. You've understood? All the best. जब भी whenever you are wishing anybody, be all the best, do well, अच्छा करो, अच्छा ध्यान दो. So what do we say? All the best. What do we say? We say all the best. Okay? So now we are also going to draw some pictures, kids. Now let me remove this. We learned Sahil, Sheba didn't bring colors, so man told Sahil to share the colors with everybody, no? Yeah? And then what she said? She asked Manjeet, what are you going to draw? So she asked Manjeet, what are you going to draw? So what did Manjeet say? I am going to draw a fruit basket. Okay? So, shall we draw a fruit basket, everybody? Shall we draw a fruit basket? Yes? Can we draw? Can we draw a fruit basket? Come on, take your books and draw a fruit basket with me. So you don't forget how to draw a fruit basket. Okay? Let's come on. Take your books out with me. सिंपल से ड्रॉ करेंगे. चलो चलो. तो ये रहा हमारा टोकरी. So we are going to draw a small line here and another line here. Come on, draw with me, kids. Very good. Then we are going to draw a small. Come on, come on, come on. Did you do that with me? Come on. Next, we are going to draw crisscross lines. We are going to draw crisscross lines. This is our basket. What is this? Our basket. So what did Manjit say he is going to draw? Who drew the fruit basket? Manjeet. कौन से colors? What colors did Manjeet bring? Manjeet brought watercolors. अगर आपको ये याद रखना है व्हाट कलर डिड मंजित ब्रिंग. सो मंजित का स्पेलिंग एम से शुरू हो रहा है ना. तो आप एम को उल्टा लिखेंगे तो कैसे लिखेंगे? ऐसे लिखेंगे. तो मंजित ब्रॉट वाटर कलर्स. यू कैन रिमेम्बर लाइक दैट. नो, आई बी ड्रू अ बास्केट हियर. लेट्स ड्रॉ द फ्रूट्स इन द बास्केट. एवरीबॉडी कम ऑन. अभी हम विल जस्ट ड्रॉ द आउटलाइन. You guys can later color it, okay? And share the picture with me, okay? Now we are going to draw a banana. We are going to draw a banana. We are going to draw two bananas. See? This is banana, no? Yellow color. So what color is the banana? Remember? Banana is yellow in color. So put a yellow color over here. Okay. Then what we can draw? We can draw apple. Apple also is a fruit. Let's draw two apple, everybody. Two apples. Come on. You have to color the apple red. We are going to draw a red color apple. Okay. Okay, we drew apple. Then we can draw grapes. How to draw grapes? Draw 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. This is our grapes. Okay? This is our grapes. Okay, kids? So we drew a fruit basket. We put banana in it. We put apple in it. We put grapes in it. And we also put a pineapple. ठीक है? Pineapple. Okay? So why am I drawing this for you, kids? Why am I drawing this for you? Why are we drawing? Because we are learning fruit basket and we are trying to remember that Manjit brought watercolors and he drew a fruit basket. What are the type of fruits? Fruits यानी कि फल. What are the type of fruits? Banana यानी कि केला. Pineapple. Apple. And grapes. Okay? So like this, can you draw for me a fruit basket and share? Can you draw the fruit basket for me and share? And share a picture? So I also know how you love to draw a fruit basket. Yes? So who bought watercolors? Manjit bought watercolors. And what he was planning to draw? He was planning to draw a fruit basket. You can put yellow color for the pineapple. You can put grapes for grapes. You can put green color or purple color. Okay. So you can put whatever color for grapes, and for banana again yellow and black. And for the basket, whatever color you want, you can put a yellow basket, red basket, whatever color you can put for the basket. Whichever color you prefer, you can put it in the basket. Okay. Now we are going to draw a monkey. Ah, that's so funny. What does the monkey say? Hoo, hoo, ha, ha, hoo, hoo, ha, ha. Yes? The monkey says hoo, hoo, ha, ha. Yeah, so we are also going for a drawing competition, is it? We are drawing on the board. तो competition माने क्या होता है बच्चों? Competition का अर्थ क्या होता है? प्रतियोगिता. What does competition means? प्रतियोगिता. Now we are going to draw a monkey on a branch. ठीक है बच्चों? We are going to do a monkey on a branch. Okay? We are going to draw it. Come on, everybody. Sit with me. Let's draw a monkey on the branch. So what does a branch mean? एक पेड़ की जो शाखा होती है उसको कहा जाता है branch. Okay, ये रही हमारी पेड़ की शाखा. This is the branch. What is it? It's a branch. Learn the spelling of it with me. Come on, branch. यानी कि पेड़ की शाखा. शाखा. ठीक है बच्चों. सो वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ. हु इज ड्रॉइंग द मंकी ऑन द ब्रांच किड्स? कौन बना रहा है? सही कहा आपने, मीना. मीना इज गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ मंकी. ओके. व्हाट डज द मंकी से? हु हु हा हा हु हु. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ सम लीव्स ऑन द branch. Okay kids? Now who is sitting on the monkey? Who's sitting on the branch? Monkey. तो हम पहले एक तीन बना देते हैं. ओके मेरे साथ तीन बनाइए. Then draw another three here, and then you draw a tail here. The monkey's tail is coming from here and here. Okay. So who is sitting on the tree? The monkey is sitting on the tree. See? आप tail ऐसे भी draw कर सकते, नहीं तो you can also draw like this. Okay. So this is the monkey. The monkey is sitting on the tree. ठीक है? So what color is the monkey usually? A brownish yellow, right? Right? You remember? So you can draw a monkey like this. ठीक है? And you can color the leaf green color. You can put green color here, and you can put more. You can do like this for the trees, right? You can color it green here. You can put more leaves. Yeah? So this is how Meena drew the monkey on the Meena. She only drew monkey sitting on a branch. What did she draw? She drew a monkey sitting on a branch. What did she draw? She drew a monkey sitting on a branch. Okay, so we knew what Meena is going to draw and what Manjit is going to draw, didn't we? Now can we go into the other conversation, the rest of the conversation? Okay, come on. Now let's go ahead with the next conversation. Did you all kids make a drawing of this? Very good. So this is how we draw. आसान तरीके से चित्र बना सकते हैं और चीजें भी सीख सकते हैं. We can also learn up new things. Okay kids? Now let's finish. So everybody was sitting and drawing. All the children had finished their work. हमने भी खत्म कर दिया and they also finished it. All the children have finished their work. The bell rings for lunch break. सबने चित्र बना दिया तो जो स्कूल में जो घंटी है वो बजी एंड एवरीबडी इज गॉन टू ईट देयर लंच यानी कि दोपहर का खाना फॉर द लंच ब्रेक. ओके Now, what does the teacher say after the lunch break? Teacher says, I will declare. घोषणा करना. I will declare the result after lunch break. तो मैम क्या कहती है कि आप लोग खाना खा के आ जाओ, लेट्स ऑल ऑफ यू ईट योर लंच एंड देन आई विल टेल द रिजल्ट. रिजल्ट यानी कि जो अभी कंपटीशन में प्रतियोगिता होती है, माने लोग खेल खेलते हैं या ड्राइंग का चित्र बनाते हैं, प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेते हैं, दे टेक पार्ट इन द कंपटीशन एंड आफ्टर दे फिनिश द कंपटीशन यू हैव फर्स्ट प्राइज, सेकंड प्राइज एंड थर्ड प्राइज. यूजुअली 3 प्राइज देते हैं उसके. ठीक है बच्चों, 3 लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. तो व्हाट डिड मैम से? आई विल डिक्लेयर. डिक्लेयर यानी घोषणा करती हूँ रिजल्ट का आफ्टर लंच ब्रेक. सो व्हाट डिड चिल्ड्रन से? Children said, okay, ma'am. What did the children say? Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, what did the children say? Okay, ma'am. ठीक है, ma'am. So, after that, what happened? After the lunch break. After the lunch break, क्या हुआ? Let's find out who won the competition. Yes. So, what had happened? All the children had finished their work, like how we drew the monkey on the tree, on the branch, monkey sitting on the branch, and a fruit basket. All the children have finished their work. All of them finished their work. यानी कि चित्र बनाना खत्म कर दिया. The bell rings for lunch break. What is happening? They are all in the school. Where did they go? They went to the ground to draw the particular picture. चित्र बनाने के लिए they all went to the ground. Yes. And then what happened? Everybody finished the drawing. They finished their respective drawings. And what happened? Then ma'am said, oh, okay. And what happened? The bell rang for lunch break. So what teacher said? I will declare the result after lunch break. So what did the children say? Okay, ma'am. So after the lunch break, ma'am is going to declare the result. Okay. So the next class, I will tell you who won the competition. तो अगले क्लास में आप लोगों को बताऊंगी कि किसने कंपटीशन जीता. ओके. टिल देन किड्स, जय विद्या शक्ति, जय हिंद, जय भारत बच्चों.